Hello guys, welcome back to January Vashu Vibes. So I'm done with the work. See how beautiful the Kerala weather. Just have a look how it is. Very beautiful, right? And you can see the train, and you can see the train passing over from there. What a beautiful scene. Wagner engine, dual engines with pulling the goods train, and see the weather. See the weather, guys. See the weather. You really fall in love with Kerala. See the mountains over there. The reason why I like Kerala, this is the reason. See how good it is and how the clouds has been. I kept a small video, so please do subscribe my channel, like my video, comment my video, and please do support my videos. Thank you. Bye. See you next video. Bye.